Real estate math, plug it in. Learn fast with Faye's formulas. Faye Rogers Taylor. On page 1.2 of real estate math, plug it in, is tax unpaid. Memorize the question with the formula. The question is, what is the tax proration if the tax is unpaid? You memorize this question, you write down this formula. First step of your formula, the number of days, 30, which is 30-day month you use for state test, times the full months plus the closing date. Then the second step, cost per day. From your problem, you take the tax bill amount divided by 360, which is your day year, and times your number of days that you plug from your first step equals your cost total. And with that same answer, you have to have debit seller and credit buyer. That's DS/CB. Now let's look at the problem. On your page 1.2, the problem, the closing date is March the 5th for sale of a $150,000 home. The real property taxes are $1,400 per year and are not paid, unpaid tax yet. What is the tax proration? And let's plug in our information into the formula that you will write down on your scrap paper at the state test. 30-day month times the number of days. How you find that? You look at the closing date, it's March. Your full months, you always start the first with your thumb with January. January and February are your full months. So it's 30 times 2, which will be 60. Then you add your closing date plus 5 days more. So 60 plus 5 is 65 days. And you put down that number for the number of days that you titled for your first step. Second step, you title it cost per day. You write down this part of your formula, tax bill divided by 360 times the number of days. The tax bill, you look in your problem, $1,400 per year divided by 360 day year times your number of days that you plug from your first step equals your cost total. Also with the answer, you have to have debit seller, credit buyer, DS/CB. Seller is always first on your state test. Now, and also on the same page, you have a choice of your answers, just like on state test, A, B, C, or D, and you choose your answer, and that is what you do for unpaid tax. Thank you.